Ladies and gentlemen, the sunny days are here again. Oh, sunny days, oh, what a day. Oh, sunny days, oh, what a day. I wear glasses 'cause I'm so cool. I can predict the charts. Happy days, oh, happy days. Oh, what a day. Oh, happy days. Oh, what a day. XRP will reign supreme. Let's just not get caught in the FUD. Oh, we're gonna crash and we have and we will, but can it happen again? Oh yeah, it can and it may and it won't and it will and it may. Stay true, stay blessed, ignore the FUD, pay attention to the charts. So before we get into this morning's technical analysis, I want to go over a quick synopsis of what's going on. I hope you enjoyed the sunny days, as it's been quite some time since I started like that. That'll be in lieu of the intro, as you know. What's going on this morning? XRP is over the 4713 right now. We're at 4713. In order for XRP to try to invalidate this bear flag, we must come over the 48-cent mark and reverse the bearish cross in the daily. Now, what we're going to look at, and we've talked about yesterday, and we've talked about several times, is it's possible that we have a bullish cross in the weekly for the first time since 2020, simultaneously as we're showing this bearish cross in the daily. So it's something to pay attention to, and it's something to see if it's actually a bear trap here forming or if it's something worse. We also need to look at how the network buzz on XRP, the XRP network buzz, is just surging despite the downturn in the XRP price. So we're going to see what all of that and more means now. Make sure, though, positivity over negativity as we start this trading week. If we use that positive mindset, our emotions won't control us, and we'll have a basic understanding of what's going on, and we'll come to a logical conclusion based on what the chart is showing us. It'll help shape our perception. Good morning, 10:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Monday, July 10th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So let's focus on XRP here. Got to get this update out. We got a few things to talk about on XRP. So XRP right now. Let's pull this chart back down. Right now, we have one of two things that can happen. One, as we talked about yesterday, that breakdown is there just in case we break down and we can see the bearish formation that can happen very quickly. Now, if we can hold this uptrending support here at the it's about 46 cents now as we continue across on this uptrend, we could have a chance to push up. Our first layer to break past was 471 and hold to try to push up past the 20-day, which we're doing right now. And then in the daily, we've had that bearish cross, so XRP needs to get above right now 478, but ultimately 48 cents, actually 482, to push up and try to reverse this bearish cross. Otherwise, if this plays true, I've already drawn what could possibly go wrong here and how quickly it can happen. Because if you come down to that neckline on the inverted head and shoulders at 44 cents, you could very well have a volatile spike back up to about the 462, 468 level, get a rejection, and then fall through. So that's the bearish formation. Now, I will preface this by saying, if we look at the weekly, we've got XRP possibly having its first bullish cross in the weekly since 2020. You'd have to go all the way back here for the last time we had a bullish cross here, and that was August of 2020. So you figure it's been 3 years, and now I've set it up if it's going to play out in some kind of weird bull flag formation. We're getting supported here on the weekly. So if this is going to hold, we're going to hold this support here at this 462 likely, as we're trying to hold this weekly. We're about to have a cross here. If this weekly holds and pushes up during this week, by Sunday we could have our first weekly cross, bullish cross since 2020, so we have to pay attention to that. So that could be disguising a little bit more of a bullish formation here inside of this, but still, it still looks like we need a volatile spike down to confirm the hold. It would have been nice to get a volatile spike back down to the 2020 uptrend roughly at 37 cents and then bounce back out of this formation. But as it is, it's not 100% necessary that we need to do that. So we could bounce within this formation and consider this kind of like a bull flag setup on an ascending move. And it could come up 22%, technically up to 558. But anything short of holding this and invalidating that bearish cross in the daily and helping confirm the bullish cross for the first time since 2020 in the weekly could be very bearish if we continue to push down. We at all costs need to hold this 200-day down here to try to validate a lesson move here. So we need to hold the 455 level at all costs. So here's what we're looking at. That's as clear as I can make it. And then what I talked about in the beginning, the XRP network buzz explodes amid price decline, is a massive bull run incoming. So as the cryptocurrency sector opens the week on a slightly bearish note, reversing the earlier gains kickstarted by the spot Bitcoin ETF, Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETF application by the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock's the social activity surrounding XRP indicates the token could be looking forward to better days. Indeed, the discussion around the XRP network has witnessed a massive surge in the early hours of the new week, suggesting a price increase could follow, according to the analysis shared in a tweet by blockchain and crypto monitoring platform Sentiment on July 10th. XRP sees a big spike in social dominance to start the new week, Bitcoin and Shiba trending as well. So specifically, the social volume of XRP in the early hours of July 10th briefly soared to 2.77 and its social dominance to above 25, recording the largest spike in XRP discussion rate since May, as the platform's team explained. And now we talk about the price gains that follow. According to the analytics platform's explanation, and that's why I wanted to do my TA first so you can weigh it with this, this could indicate a possible price increase that could override the current negative sentiment presenting around the XRP token in the days to come. So that would signify, if that's the case, that we would have a bullish cross in the weekly is what we're getting ready to have. Generally, when traders are increasing discussions of an asset, while its price has been declining, it increases the probability of a price rise to cancel out fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD, and greedy shorts. At the same time, the sentiment data indicates that a couple of other major cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, including Bitcoin and Shiba Inu, have witnessed similar trends in social trends, suggesting they too could experience bullish price action, which, as we know, Bitcoin, even though it's trying to cross bearishly in the 4-hourly, or has, it's still above the 30,000 CME gap. It's still above the channel breakout at 30,000, and it's still on a bull flag until it's not. The technical target on a breakout of Bitcoin is 35,020. On a breakdown, it's down to 25,194. So XRP price analysis will weigh this against my own. As things stand, XRP is currently trading at price of 4,685. It's up to about 472 right now. A decline of 0.49%, which it's paired some of those losses. Down 3.17% across the past 7 days and 5.39% over the past month. Great consolidation, if you ask me. Meanwhile, in addition to the... What is going on here? Meanwhile, in addition to the above social trends, the increase in the price of XRP could also depend on other factors surrounding its ecosystem, including the outcome of the lawsuit filed by the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, against blockchain company Ripple years ago. If you got anything out of this update, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to help push this content to more people. If you're looking to trade XRP or your favorite crypto in the USA with no KYC, you can use FEMX. It's in my video description below and or pinned comments. However, if you want to use Visa and or MasterCard and take advantage of their 0.9% interest rate until July 24th, obviously, if you're going to do that or a bank account, you're going to have to do KYC so they know who you are. But other than that, you can send it on and off the exchange via other cryptocurrencies, up to $50,000 a day, and it does have 100x futures trading, longing or shorting the market. And if you want to join Tom's Army, that's in the video description below and or pinned comments. Become an integral part of this community and show me that support for all the work I do. I appreciate each and every one of you, and have a blessed day.